Now, class of folk AJ omo first trophy in some many years no. Na arehosem kese pa AC. Na it is quite unfortunate. A class of folk about confirm say this particular supporter and o collapse say otumfo nyankopon emfa the cranes ye waka baby, and it is a very sad news. And now almost say a class of folk you share go niti a crowd of folk na things collapse here, but ye nyina no pay sorry no almost say abusuafo no de ne call hospital through the ambulance inti na koye inti anopa ye nyina na ye update inti empa ebo ne say nka mane nkoba saa, but menawie ya na house of folk officially at the statement abeto abonten say papa na collapse here no house of folk ni na waka baby nti otumfo nyankopon emfa ne kransie ne nabusua ene obia has fraternity ni nyina na man no photo ewa ha. I think say eno na circulate on social media no so. Yes, ono ene that screen so no. I think man na nra collapse no otumfo nyankopon emfa ne kra ensie ye pa across of folk statement a omode beto abonten no so ewa ha. With how much I do no, I'll take you through it. And a coin I don't know a far so a happy in a football. Two for Yankopon and for my crazy ye pan na unhuni mobo or man aljanna. Was saying a crowd of folk. Club notice on the passing of William Nilai, a passionate Phobian. The management of Accra folk with a heavy heart wish to express our sincere condolence to the family of Ni, who met his untimely death yesterday at Accra Sports Stadium. The unfortunate incident occurred during the game against Pando Heart of Lions in the Homowo 2024 Peace Cup. Nilai was a very passionate fan of the club who made time to watch all of our games either home or away. That is two quite home and away. His departure to the fraternity to eternity will not only affect his immediate family but also we as a club, since we would lose his unflinching support. We hope to liaise closely with his family to ensure that we would contribute positively towards successful final funeral rite of William Nilai. Once again, with a heavy heart, we express condolence to his family and hope the Almighty God will continue to guide and protect them in these difficult times. May the Almighty grant him a lasting resting place. Rest in peace. William Nilai, signed Accra House of Folk Management. Nature say mpanyinfo akonfirm. Yotumfo nyankopon emfa ne kra ensie na ebusua no ya momu nyina hyede.